Disclaimer. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Do not attempt this at home. Vitiated how-to will not be responsible because you decided to be a cheap ass and not hire a professional.
On with the show.
First thing, disconnect the battery. Hope you have enough sense to. If not, that's on you. That's not my problem. It's a 10 millimeter. You just loosen it up just enough. It says to disconnect the one. I have learned from past experience, if you don't disconnect both, it can shock the fuck out of you. Been there, done that. I'm removing this because I'm gonna need to later, and right now it's just gonna be easy to do what I'm doing. Well, welcome back. Now we're doing the front engine mount, which is by far the easiest goddamn one there is on this van. For a 2012 Town & Country, it's the easiest. But I need to do the other two before I put it on jack stands. So, or actually I put it on ramps. On the oil pan here, you can see where it's kind of folded. I took a long 2x4 and put it across there. I'm just holding up the engine weight. But I made sure that I got ramps. A lot of people are using jack stands, and negative on that one. Oops, wrong one. That there is a 16 millimeter. Come on. Next one is a 15. And you just kind of pull it out. And you just gotta work it back and forth till you get the damn thing out. Because it's kind of a weird place. And it's hard to do one-handed. So I'm gonna put this down. Alright, now we're gonna show you. The directions say that you gotta drop this cross member right here, but you don't. It's going to take two hands, but I got it halfway there. You get it, and you jimmy it up. Go across the cooling fan. Push it up, and then you turn it. And then you try not to drop it on your head while you're doing this. Or your phone, like I'm doing. Now, when you put the new one back, make sure that little lip is on the front. And you just put it up. See, it's so much easier putting it back in than it was taking it out. Oh, come on, you fuck. It's always easier. Come on. And then you just gotta spin this around like you did when you took it out. Just rotate it around until it slides past the fan. And then you work it down in here. Now I'm gonna try to see if I can maneuver this. Right here where my finger is, there's a hole right there that this lip, the front of this, has to go in. And as you can see, it locks it, keep it from going forward. And then you just come back over here. And you start putting your bolts and shit back in. Gotta make sure that one lines up there. So this one slides back through it. But before you impact it on or anything, you gotta get it started first to make sure that it don't strip nowhere. You betcha. Of course, put the one under, and you just impact it back on. I don't know what the specs are for the torque. I don't know. There's probably some specs floating around somewhere. If I have them, I'll stick them in the comments or in the description.